Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today I've got another short video for you on how to make something that's an amazing little snack or a topping, especially during the holiday season. So let's make some candied pecans. To get these roasted pecans started, I'm going to fire up the pellet Joe, and I'm just going to turn it up, and we're going to run it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While my grill's warming up, the next thing I want to do is make my glaze. So I'm going to start out with my powdered sugar, my salt, my cayenne pepper, and I'm going to take my whisk and just kind of get those combined. And then I've got 4 teaspoons of whiskey. We're going to dump that in. And if you don't want to use whiskey, use water, use whatever you like. And I'm going to whisk that together until I have a glaze that I'm happy with. That is a little tighter than I like it. So I'm going to add just another capful of whiskey to that, to thin that out just a little. And actually maybe just a little splash more. I want this glaze kind of thin. So I maybe added another teaspoon. Powdered sugar is something you have to get a feel for. Okay, I think I'm good with that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I've got 2 cups of pecan halves. We're going to dump those into there, and I'm just going to toss these to get these pecan halves coated with our glaze. Just get these guys completely coated. And then I've got a lined quarter sheet here. I'm just going to dump my pecans out onto that, and I'm going to spread them out, and I'm going to turn each of these because I'm kind of anal about that, where I've got the presentation side up, where I've got the nice looking side showing. So we'll get all these lined up. So Pellet Joe is cruising along right here at 350. So I'm going to open that up, set these on there, close it back, and we're going to give it 10 to 12 minutes. While that's cooking, I'd just like to take a moment here to ask you for your support. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button and then click the bell icon to get an alert each time we post a new video. If you're watching on Facebook, how about giving us a thumbs up or share the video if you think it's worth seeing? Your support will help us keep these channels going. Okay, we've been going 12 minutes here, and I just had a look at these things, and man, they are ready to go. That's exactly what these things should look like. So we're going to take them off and let these cool for a few minutes. And after you've given these guys a little bit of time to cool, just take them out of the pan, put them in a jar or put them in a Ziploc bag, and do whatever you like to do with these. My wife likes to just munch on these. She loves these as just a snack. But there is a lot of other things you can do with these. You can chop these and serve them on a salad, or you can garnish cheesecake with this, or anything else where you want a nutty addition. It's got a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of heat on the back end. So guys, give these a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.